What a day here on Forex Trendy, the Forex Trend scanners. Many green trades, guys. We got many winners and a few losers. This is our lucky day. Watch the video until the end because I'm gonna show you what happened on this crazy day. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you what happened on the Forex market and on Forex Trendy, my favorite trend trading tool. I'm going to show you the trades on the 5-minute charts. I'm a trader, so I usually operate on the lower time frames, but if you prefer to trade on the higher and you want to see what's happening on like 1 hour, 4 hours in the daily time frame, just comment below the video, ask me, I will make a new video. Okay, so you will see how this tool works. Okay. Before starting, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, push the like button, help me grow this channel. I want to help people because I know there are many traders out there that are looking for an answer, and here I am. Okay, so the first trade of the year is the euro and the British pound. We got a rising wedge sell signal, break at 85.92. After the breakout, we got a very weak move because the price failed to go beyond the 20 pips. In fact, stopped at 85.74 and then reverted and started to go up. So it depends on your strategy. If you're a trader that looks like for 10-15 pips, you are gonna be fine, but if you are a trader that looks for the 20-30 pips target, this is a loser. Let's jump to the euro and the Australian dollar. This is a textbook trade. We got a sell signal, rising wedge. It looks like a flag, honestly. Break at 61.26. After a small retest, the price tumbled down at 60.65. So a huge trade here, a huge trade. It's rare to find a huge trade like this with no economic news, or sometimes it happens, but other times it's like very fluffy. Price action looks pretty good, because during the Asian session, the price was continued to go down slowly, and then Europe time we get a breakout and a nice fall here. So a very good trade for early morning traders here in Europe. Let's jump to the British pound and Japan yen, another textbook trade. This is our luck day here on Forex Trendy. Not every day is like this, honestly. Okay, don't be fooled by it. A very good number of good trades, because you are gonna encounter, you're gonna experience days where trades are not going in profit. Okay, remember this. So after this lateralization, we got this triangle and the breakout. Okay, always the Europe time, the price started to go up, reaching the 51.92, around 50-60 pips. As usual on the British pound, we got very strong moves, very strong, guys. Okay. USD CAD triangle, we got a sell signal, break at 26.17. So the price action looks fine. It looks like we are in a very good downward movement. After the breakout, we got no retest. And the price reached at 25.83. Another very good trade. And the price then formed this double bottom, going up again to retest the previous level around 26.24. Another good trade. Okay, today is a green day. Euro GBP, we got a flag buy signal 85.86. A weak one, because I'm trading lately. I'm trading a lot the Euro GBP, and it's very slow. So not many trading opportunities. But I like to trade in calm markets because I'm testing my new strategies. And after the breakout, the movement was too weak, reaching the 85.94, so only a few pips. Then went back, retesting the trend line, trying again to reach the 0 0 level. But honestly, this was a weak trade, not a good landing profit. Let's jump to the USD and the Swiss. So this is another loser. Okay, and the price wasn't the price action wasn't even looking that bad because we got this very nice bullish impulse, then the flag and the retracement, but it failed, to go up to continue the upward movement and started to go down even lower the previous lows around 91.47, reaching the 91.40. So a loser for us. OD Swiss, we got a triangle buy signal again, a weak one. The price action was looking very good. A very nice bullish impulse. We got a triangle, and then the price is starting to encountering. Okay, is encountering this very strong resistance next to the 50 level. Okay, so it can break through. So another loser. ODUSD triangle by signal break at 73.43. Nice price action because the price is bouncing on this strong support level around 73.10, 73.00 all night long in the Asian session. Then in the early morning, we got many interesting movements in the early morning. Okay, started to skyrocket. We got a breakout at 73.43, going up to 73.70. So other money in the bank. Okay, nice price action. Nice price action. We got the first bullish impulse, the retracement, and the second one. So the trade was looking very promising. Looking at the price action from where it was starting. Let's see the euro and the Swiss weak one. Even though the price action was very promising, because if you look closely, here we have a bullish impulse. Then we got the retracement. We got another bullish impulse during the Asian session. Okay, we got a flag, but failed to break through. Even because it was very close to the 50 level, so the price struggled to break through. And this was not a loser. Australian dollar and Japan yen. This is still on. This is still running. The price action looks promising, because of this nice upward movement. The price going up calmly. The size candles, the sides of the candles is very good. Not too big, not too small. First big bullish impulse here, Europe time, the flag, and the price struggling to leave the 0 0 level. Remember that 0 0 and 50 are very important levels in trading, so the price will fight a little bit, can fight for days to leave them, but usually it takes few hours. So we'll stay on watch on this very interesting trade. So that's it for today. Maybe this is a very short video. I didn't deepen in the price action analysis as usually, as I usually do, because today I'm very busy. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know which time frames you want to see subscribe, stay tuned because I'm gonna upload more and more content day by day. Bye bye.